quick pizza sauce at home, saute some garlic. I have used chopped garlic. You can also use garlic paste if you want. Now add in some tomato puree. Add in some red chili powder, 2 tablespoon ketchup, some salt as per your taste, oregano and chili flakes. Our pizza sauce is now ready. Take pizza base and apply 2 to 3 teaspoons of pizza sauce on it. Now sprinkle some grated cheese on it. I am using mozzarella cheese. Now place very thin slices of onions. Now add capsicums. Now it's time to add some corns. Add a little bit more cheese. Some oregano. And finally some chili flakes. Cooking it in a kadhai for about 10 to 15 minutes. Cover the kadhai and let it bake.